Everybody, we've hired a private driver to drive us around today. He's going to show us a couple of things. We are at a temple right now, so take a look. He's going to take us to an orphanage now, which is just around the corner here, so here we go. Have permission to film here, which is good. This is, I guess, where the classrooms are.
Take my hand. Again. Oh! Yeah. Oh. Hey, we made the game like this, you know. Em kia. Nobody does play home.
So then you just go to the pharmacy?
Yeah.
No. Maybe only for the English teacher, right?
They learn English, but not too much maybe.
Anyway.
Very difficult.
Yeah, when I was traveling in Thailand before. Chụp hình kia. Gõ được cái gì nữa? Khăn và khăn nào? Yeah. Giờ mình đi vô đây. Đó, bạn còn không ngủ đâu mà.
Can you go higher? Go higher. Big jump.
Từ Minh Mến đọc chậm chậm.
Max. Con tiếng Anh Max.
Max.
M-E.
Max.
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 Nice to meet you.
Con muốn biết sao? Biết chữ ở đây là chữ Max sao? Từ Mến.
should we say Max?
Mát hả?
Yeah.
Mát.
Jennifer, David. David. Yeah. Jennifer.
Jennifer. Yeah.
Châu Mát. Châu Mát. Trời. Vitamin C.
Vitamin.
Yeah. For the cold.
Vitamin. Vitamin. No.
No.
Cái này vitamin.
Vitamins. Yeah. Make it healthy, like strong.
Cô hả? Cô hả?
Okay, look.
Đây, đi thử đi. Còn đây đi thử này. Hết rồi, còn có một viên này. Còn một viên này cho cô giá 10
There you go. Good. Gotta take your shoes off.
Nice toys.
Hello.
Xin chào. Xin chào. Thank you.
Oh.
Xin chào.
Hey.
Nice. They're learning in the book. Coloring. Can I look?
Max.
Nice. Okay, so we're at this orphanage just outside of the city. Well, not outside, but at the outskirts of Na Trang. And the kids are very friendly here and really eager to speak their English that they learn. So they have medicine over here from their nurse, and they actually don't have very much, so that's one thing that they need here. Maybe when we get back home we can look at sending some medicine here. It'll be very inexpensive for us in Canada. I mean, medicine is expensive, but easier for us to send here, so maybe we can help these children out by keeping them healthy. Very friendly, very nice, very excited to see us, so that was cute. Okay, talk to you later.
That was very cute. I did, yeah, I filmed everything. Yep. Yep. So we're gonna head back to the car now. I'm not sure where our driver's gonna take us next. But a really cool experience to come check out this orphanage. This way, babe. Yep. The kids are really friendly. Teachers are really friendly. When they see you, they stand up and they start singing a song, and they start trying to speak English with you.
Whatever they know.
Whatever they know.
Yeah.
So it's very cute. We got to meet a cool little boy. His name is Max, and he wanted to arm wrestle me all the time. Did you get that on video?
So I hope so.
Okay. All right.
Oh yeah, I know. Okay.
Here they grow in the farmer outside here. Take about 4 months. Go like this. So they cut my hand. So after cut my hand, so they dry down the sun.
They dry it out in the sun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And after 2 days, so after dry down the sun, they boil it hot water.
Okay.
So we put inside with the color. They dye the color.
Oh, in the hot water.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
why
okay.
you see many different color.
Oh, okay.
So after they dye the color, so we take out right down the sun again.
Oh, okay.
Then traditional chop family they will be
So that's when it's already dried out in the sun.
already.
Okay. They put it in boiling water with color.
Blue color. Blue color. Yeah, they right down the sun, they change the color.
Yeah, this is the
Blue color.
natural color.
Yeah. Nice.
And then that's in the hot water with the other
With
color.
the color, they dye the color.
Yeah.
Longer but very difficult also.
Yeah. Oh, so she helps with the
Yeah.
putting it in? Oh, with the thing, that's bamboo.
Yeah. Yeah. Up and down, up and down, up and down.
How long does it take to make one?
One day, two people, long as 2 meters around here. Long 2 meters around.
2 meters.
Yeah. Then we talk about local people, little countryside, no air conditioning.
Yeah.
They can live and then after that they ride down the sun again.
Oh, okay.
You again.
So it can last a long time, but
Yeah.
but not forever.
But couple of years okay.
Yeah.
Then age too old, couple of long for sit down.
Outside.
Yeah. Then but we do everything
Oh, okay. That's small.
small.
We have a king size. But yeah, not so much space.
Here from Canada.
Yeah.
Vietnamese, like me, my wife.
We said, you're squishing me. Yeah. We said. Okay. How you do it? Oh.
Put in the middle. They say why learn quickly.
Oh. So quick. I'm slow. I'm slow.
Nó nghe gì đâu mà mất.
Ah. Oh. Oh, you choose this color. So, I'm slow. I'm getting faster, eh? Not as fast, but maybe I could practice.
If you want you learn is do very well, say he one wish.
Okay, so I can make my own,
Yeah.
my own mat.
Then you go home work with him. Then you do about 10 days, 2 weeks, so you toss it right on the sun. And do again.
Soap or water?
Water.
Yeah, rinse it.
Yeah, easy. Make you use the country they make from the wood.
What?
They make from the wood.
From the wood, yeah.
But in the middle, the from the bamboo.
Well, what is it for? What is it for?
It's quite simple.
Yeah. My friend, she makes all her...
So they do the fishing cheaper than buying new one.
Oh, true, yeah. Like, you mean the machine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They significantly now.
How is it? Does it not get...
Here the family they do the business.
Yeah.
Local family do business.
Yeah.
So they do the rich there. Who buy fast you get them money. 5,000 dollars.
Okay.
But local people are happy.
Yeah.
My guy was the good one. Far away here.
Okay.
But many problem when the rain season. Water higher, water rich way.
Yeah.
So they rebuild again.
Right.
And they spend a lot of money for building.
Right. So how many times do they have to fix the bridge?
They have many programs a year.
Yeah.
But what we hear, but they see many not good one for the train. Yeah.
Where is it? I'm on the wrong one. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Yeah. See.
It costs 5,000 dong to go across to another island, he said, right?
Yeah, people live there.
And people live there, work there on the other side. Pretty cool. Very busy bridge.
Yeah, everyone needs to go there.
Yeah.
So this family they made bamboo.
Okay.
You know bamboo they cut in the forest. They hang around like this, not soy. So
No.
they hit the make soy.
Yeah.
Soy.
They make it straight.
Yeah, because they burn. You can see the chicken barbecue, beef barbecue.
Yeah.
Now Newton, you see the bamboo barbecue.
Bamboo barbecue. Nobody makes the hole. It just grows that way.
They do made it with
Yeah.
they have the hole. Yeah. Made it.
Wow.
Look in the middle, like this. 1 minute. Ah,
Oh, okay.
this 1 minute up and down. They can see like this. There's no soil.
Right.
This one.
And like a different weight.
Yeah. 1 or 2 minutes. Then you hang
Oh,
around.
okay. And it's that heat.
Yeah. Here in the middle, no soil. Like this. Then smoking, waiting.
Yeah. Time for a smoke break. Yeah.